Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from CooDeals. I've got a couple of diamond paintings and I've got something else. So let's start with the something else. I did wonder whether to start with the paintings, but let's go for the something else. And so this is something that can be used to frame your diamond paintings. So this is in white and it's like, it's squishy, but it regains its shape. I was going to say it's like polystyrene, but it's not. I'm trying to think what else it's like. And I can't off the top of my head, but it's fully sticky on the back. It comes rolled up so you get plenty for going round a painting, and then you can cut it at sort of a 45-degree angle and then your next piece at a 45-degree and give your painting a frame. It also has in it a diamond painting pen, so it's your standard pink pen with a rose in the end, which is quite sweet. So I'll show you that on one of these paintings in a moment. So that's item number one. And then number two, we have a diamond painting. This one is around, it is a 30 by 50, this one. And look at that. Love it. So when you get diamond paintings from CooDeals, they do tend to have, well, they tend to have your name, though I've asked for the company name on mine. If it's got round symbols down here, that tells you that it is round diamonds. So you get the canvas, you get your toolkit, which is a nice toolkit. So in this instance we have a white tray, wax, some tweezers, we have a pink pen, we have a clear pen, and we do have some baggies. But what I really like is you also get an inventory sheet. Now the bags do come, or the diamonds do come in separate little bags. So they come in little bags of 200. So this one contains up to 200, so does this one. But you do get a sheet which lets you know, one, your painting. So we've got an image of the painting. You get all your symbols, so you can use this to make yourself some stickers if you use a sticker machine. And then you do also get told how many bags of each that you need, so you can confirm that you have the right amount. So for 3838, which is that 3838? It is, it's down here. 3838, I need 2, I have 2. I have the right amount of diamonds. There is quite a few 310s, as you can see, that is the most. I need 44 bags for that. But there is one here that I only need 3 of, but I still get a full bag. There's one I need 8 of, but I still get a full bag. So numbers, I don't think are going to be a problem. I think I'll have a few of those left over. The other thing I do like is they tend to use numbers, then letters, and they only go to symbols if they need to. So it's a lot easier to repeat a number or a letter in your head when you're doing the symbols than it is to repeat a symbol. Because if you're anything like me, I'm starting to place, I'll be going T, T, T in my head to tell me that I am doing the letter T. But the symbols are really nice and clear, whether it be a dark colour or a light colour. And yeah, I just thought this image was stunning. The actual diamond painting area is 24 centimetres by 44 centimetres. for the diamond painting. And then what you can do when you've finished is use this and stick it right over where the key is to give yourself a nice frame for this. You could then pop it down on even a piece of cardboard, one of those many Amazon boxes that we end up getting. You could pop it down on one of those, stick it on with some glue or some tape, and then pop this over the top, and you've got yourself a really cost-effective way to frame your diamond paintings, which, if you do as many diamond paintings as I do, cost-effective ways to be able to frame them is always a plus. So I'm going to pop that back in there. Now I've shown you the way to do it. So that is painting number 1. Item number 2. In fact, I'll just pop those to the side. I'll get those back in that in a moment. And number 2 is a 35 by 45. It's also a round, and I can tell because we have the round numbers down here. This one has 25 different colours. We've got quite a bit of gorgeous shading in this Mushrooms Woodland one. Look at the detail in that. I really love the detail in some of these. It's amazing how you can get so much detail. So the actual diamond painting size for this one is 29 centimetres by 39 centimetres. Again, you get a nice toolkit, you get a couple of pens, baggies, the nice white tray and some tweezers. And then we get the diamonds, again in the baggies, but we also get the inventory sheet. So to have a look at the colours, what do we have the most of? 535 we have the most of, with 10 bags. We've got quite a bit of 935, 3363, which are all greens. So quite a few greens, as you would expect. But then we do have quite a few different shades of red in there as well. With a few different bags to give us the shading for the mushroom. Let me make sure that those grey ones go back in there. I mean, we do have the DMC numbers on there, but of course I would rather not get them rolled up. It would be a lot easier on myself if I didn't. But again, even though it's extremely confetti, this one, which is what helps to give it its definition, the symbols are nice and clear no matter where they are. And I think they do, yeah, they do miss out letters. So like the letter B is missing because you have the number 8, which can be very similar. So they do miss out some letters if the number is similar. But that is the 2 diamond paintings for today, along with a framing option. I will pop the links directly to these items below, but of course they do have an abundance of diamond paintings available. So feel free to have a good little browse and see what catches your eye. But thank you so much for joining me for this video, and I'll speak to you all again soon.